Hey, what is up? Welcome to a DeFi episode on Trustbar. Today we're going to talk about how to make 50% plus on the Optimism blockchain risk-free, like very, very low risk. Firstly, this is not financial advice and you must do your own research. And again, with anything, there's always smart contract risk. So you need to partake in this with caution. So Optimism is a layer 2 blockchain built on top of Ethereum, and it's much faster and much lower fees, and also supports smart contracts like Ethereum. It's one of the growing ecosystems on Ethereum layer 2. So what you're going to need to do is eventually you're going to have to farm here on Gamma, and including the rewards, you're going to get a lot of percentage. But as a start, you're going to need to be able to withdraw your tokens onto the Optimism blockchain. Easiest way is to just withdraw from Binance and withdraw Ethereum onto the Optimism blockchain. And then from there, use an app like Uniswap. From there, if you have $1,000, you need to swap about maybe 990 to DAI, and then take the DAI and then go to Piggy. The links will be in the description. With Piggy, you will then deposit the DAI. DAI is currently earning about 11%. This is where the low risk comes in. So 99% of your crypto is held in a stable coin and will be earning 11%, 10% most of the time. Right. Now, once you've deposited into Piggy, what you want to do is go to Gamma and have a look at this worth narrow LP. You can also use BFI to compound it. So if you say add liquidity, they will just take you straight to this worth narrow LP. I'll also have that link in the description. Then you want to have a look at the percentages. Right now, you need about 76% and 23% Ethereum, 76% Optimism, 23% Ethereum to join this pool and start earning this interest from fees and this interest from rewards. So with that in mind, then now you need to go to Piggy and then borrow in those percentages. So you needed a lot of Optimism, 76%, right? And currently Optimism is even paying you 1.5%. So that payment comes in with Piggy rewards, which will be seen here, and then you can just withdraw and convert it from time to time. And that reward will be more than the interest you need to pay here already. So you borrow the right percentages. I would try to borrowing around 78% or so, because the cap is about 80%, I think. Once you've borrowed those tokens, you then come to Gamma and then you deposit them. Once you've deposited your LP, you will have a value here available, and then you can deposit it. Then what happens is with BFI will then compound the rewards by selling them and buying more of the underlying token and increasing your holdings in Ethereum and Optimism. This is already earning about 50% when it compounds. Here, you will be borrowing almost at a net positive rate already, plus this is also earning a 10% at your original $1,000 or so. So that should earn you about $100 in a year. Plus this should earn you $800 that you borrowed here, should earn you about another $400, $500 a year, depending on the volatility of these tokens. So you should really, really clear 50% or more in terms of your $1,000 risk-free, because most of your holdings is in DAI, and these tokens you will repay and then keep whatever interest that you've earned. If you like this, please consider subscribing. Let me know. I'll do more videos. If you'd like to see it in action also, let me know in the comments. Also, please check out the Trustbar site, buy some TSB, then we can get this show started. Thank you for watching. Bye.